So today we are just around the corner from our showroom. Again, we've had a few of these close by recently, which is great for us. But in today's video, we are going to be looking at this outdoor kitchen. So for this kitchen, we only did the design for it and we supplied the appliances. So the customer, I think it was actually their uncle was a bricklayer, so the uncle came along and did all the brickwork. They used our worktop fabricators to do their worktops, and we came along and installed the Traeger. I think one of his family members or someone else put the cupboards in. The fridge he got from somewhere else. But the design and everything, we worked together really, really closely to get it to where we are today. So this kitchen is made using bricks, and the bricks match the house that you can see behind you there. The customer came into our showroom looking at different barbecues and ideas and hadn't heard of a Traeger before, but then looked at it, loved the idea of it, loved the tech that was involved in it. Just how easy it is to use and everything about the Traeger, so decided to go for the Ironwood. So this Traeger here is a pellet grill. So this is a Ironwood XL. There are two Ironwoods. This is a new range of pellet grills, or it's an upgraded range that came out last year or earlier this year. You have the Ironwood and the Ironwood XL. This is the XL version. The normal version is probably about that big. So just a little bit smaller. These are very similar to the Traeger Timberlines. So the Timberline are like the flagship Traeger's pellet grills. The Timberlines come with an induction hob. They have a bamboo chopping board on top of here. Inside, the grills are all stainless steel. For this, these are enamel, but everything else is exactly the same. The inner workings, the technology, everything is the same. So for those of you that don't know, a pellet grill is a barbecue that runs on wood pellets. So you get lots of different flavors. You get apple, cherry, hickory, lots of different flavors. That is the fuel for the barbecue. You plug them in, so you do need power, and then you literally set it like an oven, and then forget about it. It heats up, it drops the pellets into the burner underneath. It creates smoke and it creates the heat. So these are brilliant for slow cooking, getting that really smoky flavor. You can also use them for like cooking your burgers, your sausages. Chicken wings are amazing on these as well. It's such a versatile oven and really, really easy to use. It comes with this app, which is a fantastic piece of technology. It alerts you, it tells you when the barbecue is up to heat, it tells you when your food is cooked. It has thermometers that you can put into your food that tell you the internal temperatures. It really is a clever piece of kit. And what you can see here is that we have dropped this lower shelf here and then just sat it on there. So underneath this shelf is a hole, because it's quite important that underneath you can access. Here, I'm not going to pull it, but there is a tray that you pull out there, and that will release any excess wood pellets that you've got in there. So if you wanted to change to a different flavour, for example, you can pull that out and they come down underneath. So, you know, you put a bucket underneath there. Underneath here is a bucket. So this is like your drip tray. So in here you can see you've got these tin foil bucket things there. So all of the ash, any grease, anything that comes from the food and the barbecue gets taken down. It's all angled inside on the tray and it comes down into this bucket here. So it's important underneath that you keep a space under there to be able to access all of these. You can see also while we're here that the customer, they built like a little shelf in there, which is a really good idea. Keeping accessories, wood pellets as well is a really good idea. So coming over to here, this is just a single access door. You can see that they put a bit of ply in there. Originally, this kitchen was only going to be about this long. And the reason for that is because behind here is a manhole with a drain cover, and the customer needed to be able to access it at any time. But at the same time, he still wanted the prep space and the storage underneath. So what we've done is we've built this extra section, or we've extended it, but used a concrete lintel on the back and given access from the cupboard there, so it can still be accessed if the drains ever get blocked or anything like that. So now he's gained all that extra space, and he's got storage under there. Coming along to here, you have double access doors, and all you have, that's where the gas tank is in there. And that gas tank is feeding the power for the Gozney Arc XL. So this is a relatively new pizza oven from Gozney. It's a gas oven only. They've brought out the Arc XL and the Arc. So I think you can get something like a 16-inch pizza in here. It gets the temperature really, really quickly, and then it will be cooking pizzas in 90 seconds. A really, really great piece of kit. They actually now have quite a big range of ovens to choose from now, Gozney. So obviously the Dome is their biggest one, which is wood-fired and gas. It's a hybrid. Then you have the S1, which is a slightly smaller version of the Dome. You now have the Arc XL and the Arc, and then also you've got the Rockbox as well, which is the sort of the portable one, if you like. So all the angles covered here in terms of cooking. And then underneath here is a stainless steel glass-fronted double fridge. This is Draco, I think he said it is. It's not a brand that we've used before, so I don't know much about it, but it looks very similar to the Beefeater and the Napoleon ones that we do. So the worktops on these ones, this is actually this morning is the first time that I've seen these. So I put the customer in touch with our stonemasons, our worktop fabricators, and he was looking for granite, and they had 2 slabs left over from a commercial job that they were doing. This is Decton Trillium, and this is 30mm thick. This is really chunky, incredibly heavy. It's 4 people to lift each one of these pieces, but Trillium is just a lovely, lovely color. It's a browny color, but it's got almost like sand patterns going through it. It's really, really cool. It was one of their original colors that they brought out, actually, and you only ever used to be able to get Decton in 20mm thick, but they've now created a new press or machine for doing it. So now you can get these incredible 30mm thick, chunky worktops. So you can see that goes all the way along there, really, really deep as well. The reason it's so deep is because of the Traeger. The Traeger, when it's fully open, will go back about 900mm. So, you know, if you are going to build one of these in, be aware that the kitchen does need to be like a minimum of 900mm deep. The join is behind there, so you can't see it at all, and it works really well actually with the fence behind. It works well with the brickwork, all the appliances. Yeah, I absolutely love it. So I hope you've enjoyed watching that video. I love this kitchen, like the simplicity of it, the appliances that he's got in here. He's really covered all the bases. If you're interested in the Traeger, I'll link up here. We've done a video reviewing the Traeger. It's a fantastic barbecue. If you want to see currently what we're up to, we have Facebook, we have Instagram. We try and post on there 2-3 times a week. We're updating our stories all the time. So if you're interested in an outdoor kitchen, or you're just looking for ideas or inspiration, head over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.